Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Head of the Department Information Technology in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today I am here to deliver a lecture on static data members in C++. First we discuss definition of static data members. If we declare member variable as a static, we are telling the compiler that only one copy of that variable will exist and all objects of the class will share that variable. Second point regarding static data member, unlike regular data members, individual copies of a static member variable are not made for each object. That is, all objects will share the similar copy of static member variable. Third one, there is no matter how many objects of a class are created. So, it does not matter how many objects we can create. We can create any number of objects and all objects will share similar copy of static member variable. Fourth point about the static data members, all objects of that class use the same variable. Last one, all the static member variables are initialized to 0 before the first object is created. So, this is another important point regarding static data member, it is by default initialized by 0. So, these are 5 points regarding static data members. Now, we take example of static data member. Here we have a class that is shared and we declare A as a static member variable which is of integer type and V is another variable that is non-static variable. We have two functions, set function and show function in this program. Every static member variable is defined after the class integer shared scope resolution A. So, when we define the static member variable outside the class, we are allocating memory space to that variable. Every program begins from main function. Here we are creating two objects x and y of shared class. So, we have two objects x and y. We already know each object has share copy of A member variable and individual copy of non-static variable that is V. So, there is a separate copy of B to each object. But is in shareable mode. First we call set function by object x by using dot membership operator x dot set function and we pass parameter 1 control goes here and pass 1 and value will be stored A and V. So, value of x of A is 1 and value of x of B is also 1. When we call show function by using x object, x dot show function control goes definition part of show here and print the message this is static A. So, it print this is static A and value of A is 1. Second statement, this is non-static V and value of V is also 1. So, there are two messages we are printing here and control goes to next line. The next statement we are calling set function by using object y dot set function and passing parameter 2 to control goes definition part of once again set function and store the value 2 and this value is stored to data members A and V. So, A will be stored 2, now A will be 2 and B will be y of B will be 2. So, we are easily observe here value of A of y object is replaced here that is 2. Now, in the next statement we are calling show function by using by object y dot show function control goes definition part of show function and we are printing once again this is static A and value of A is now 2. second cout statement, this is non-static V and value of V is here 2. So, it print 2 2. Now, control goes here and we are again printing, again calling show function by using X object. So, control goes after definition part of show, it print value of A and V. Now, value of A becomes 2. Value of A becomes 2, it is changed by V by object. So, it prints 2, but there is no change of value of B in X object. Value of B in X is that is 1, there is no change. So, answer will be 1 1 2 2 and last one 2 1. So, we can easily observe this is A is static member variable and any number of object can easily call static member variable. If we change value by one object, this value will be already changed to another object. Now, we are taking second example of static data member. There is a biggest property of static data member. A static member variable exists before any object of its class is created. That is, member variable already exists before any object of its class is created. Now, we take example of this one. Here we are creating another class, that is shared, and we are creating member variable static A. We already know or already discussed static member variable defined outside the class by using scope resolution operator. Now, program execution begins from main function shared scope resolution A assignment 99. So, we can directly assign value to static member variable. Here we are not creating any object till here. So, 99 directly stored to A. Now, we are printing value of static member variable by using class name scope resolution operator A. Cout shared scope resolution A. So, it will print value of A, that is 99. Now, control goes to next line, cout /n, control goes next line. Now, shared X, here we are creating object of class shared, that is X. Now, X comes into picture. This is every object has copy of static member variable, that is A here. This is X dot A and we are printing value of X dot A. So, here we are printing value of A, that is 99. Return 0 is the proper termination of program. So, here we can easily observe that static member variable exists before any object of its class created. So, we are printing value 99 without creating any object. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share our YouTube channel gurukpu.com. Thank you.